Welcome to Shweta's Talkies, and I'm at one of the most beautiful heritage home, lovingly restored by he himself, Mr. Rahul Jain.
We have live concerts of 25, 30, 40 people, private concerts in this room.
There's a beautiful little library tucked up here.
This is a book by Brigadier Sukhjit Singh.
Gulnaar Villa from the 1930s, right over a lovely vintage workstation. One of these old phones, typically 1920s, 30s.
So just to tell you, this was where the original kitchen was and the servants' place. All these windows were separate rooms, small rooms. Every area has a fruit trees. This was an area which housed like a shed, cow shed, horses, whatever, at the back. This is old trunk from Africa. These are with rhino skin. They used to be made with rhino skins.
Oh,
This is all the...
in water and sun.
So you can see all the mulberry
Yeah.
fruit there in white. But we've had a lot of people who come with children.
I see.
And they were again and again requesting, please put a bed here for the children.
Welcome to Shweta's Talkies, and I'm at one of the most beautiful heritage home, lovingly restored by he himself, Mr. Rahul Jain. He's going to give us a quick walk, and rest of it you're going to see on B-rolls.
Okay. Welcome.
Follow us.
This is a gallery. Okay.
Turn on the light. Keep rolling. No worries.
Yeah. Just go. That's it. Also a place which has had many dignitaries coming for meetings.
Beautiful
Yes,
place.
private, yes. There are people who come here. We have a fireplace which is working. There's music. We have live concerts of 25, 30, 40 people, private concerts in this room. This is a study area with a small library and a small prayer room.
There's a beautiful little library tucked up here. Lovely books from old times. We are following Rahul.
So we have many books which are signed by people. Yes, here. This is a book by Brigadier Sukhjit Singh of Kapurthala. He has presented this to us here. He's written this book on Kapurthala, on the royalty, etc.
One of the collections of this lovely library.
So there are many. There's many writers, authors who have come here and given us their books. They've shared their lives, thoughts and views.
Travels.
And this has been, yes.
Walk us through.
This is another bedroom which has a view. All the rooms have a beautiful view to the garden. Okay.
Walking into a lovely little sunroom. Is that what we call it, sunroom? Gulnaar Villa from the 1930s, right over a lovely vintage workstation. One of these old phones, typically 1920s, 30s, brass dial, used to have the numbers, sometimes in Latin, sometimes in pure old English. That would be the mouthpiece. And this is where you put it on your ears and hear it just straight out of Downton Abbey.
We're going upstairs and the room behind. So just to tell you, this was where the original kitchen was and the servants' place. All these windows were separate rooms, small rooms. There were doors. We converted into windows in the right way. That window was a door to the serving room,
I see.
and the food was going there. So this was made, so in the monsoons, the food could be taken up. So that was another bedroom. This room was also closed at one time,
I see.
which has been opened up.
Nice little
And-
outdoor seating you've made out of
Yeah.
it.
And this is a very old beam. So now if you see, this needed a lot of support because it's too old. It could have come down. It was very critical structure. So this has been made with very solid wood
I can
to give it
still try
support.
to fix that little joint there.
Yeah,
Looks beautiful though.
Yeah, so I've done all these things.
I'm walking up now. So this is
At
the
the back.
front side of the
Piche
outhouse.
kula hai? Yes, this is. Every area has a fruit trees, flowers.
Thank you. Sorry.
Andres, you can come. This was an area which housed like a shed, cow shed, horses, whatever, at the back. So this has been made. And we've tried to restore it by not closing it with, this has been made very specially to make sure that it looks like a door, but actually it's fully glass. Yes, not openable. And all the rooms have a view from, yeah, green view and a sit-out space. This is we've been very particular about making a room for people who are totally paralyzed.
Oh, sorry about that. Please.
Yes,
please
that
explain.
is,
Yeah.
it's important. It's a very important aspect. This has been made for a person, this is extremely strong for a person who's paraplegic, but can lift with his hands so he can move from the wheelchair to the pot.
Oh, that's for leg support.
Yes, so you need these supports.
Yes.
The glass is removed, and then this has a special thing. There are 4 screws, this whole thing comes out so the wheelchair can go in. So this can be converted very quickly
I like
to,
the trunk.
yes. This is old trunk from
Yeah, I
Africa.
love them.
These are with rhino skin. They used to be made with rhino skins.
Those days.
Yeah.
Maybe they're all trees you've kept, right? And built around it.
Yeah.
Beautifully done.
No tree has been cut in this house. Maybe some branches we had to cut because you will see some branches being cut, but otherwise no tree has been cut.
We're going to the upstairs part of the outhouse, right? Beautifully curated. Rahul, go for it.
So this is a area which has this is a room which has a very beautiful feeling. You have to see, it's a beautiful room with a view and a balcony.
Superbly done.
Yeah.
And old school, you know, it hasn't become high gloss.
No, no,
build.
that's not.
I love this.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is so
how to
all the.
bathe in water and sun. Oh,
So you can see all the mulberry
yeah.
fruit there in white. Yes. So it's beautiful. Yeah, Shatut. And the bougainvillea, so it gives a character.
This takes care of the temperature. I mean,
You don't need
this
to
is
do.
beauty.
How can it take care of the temperature?
Oh, nice hot.
So most rooms, this place was made for sitting, but we've had a lot of people who come with children.
I see.
And they were again and again requesting, please put a bed here for the children. And they
So
can,
that became like for the adults, so this kind of became a...
for the children too. And there's a study area, there's a sitting area, the chairs come here, and the toilet is common to both. So this makes it perfect.